going to do the basic French braid down the side. My cousin Shelly recommended this, Shelly Shimmer. And so we're going to do it just regular 3-strand, just you're adding hair to it, making it the French braid. So here we go. Once I get a good start, I'll time lapse it, and so you don't have to see the whole thing if you don't want to. Get a section of hair, parted wherever you want to. A sponge braid is very versatile. You can start wherever you want, end wherever you want. I love it. Take a section of hair. Into 3 equal strands. Make sure you're right along the hairline. Hairline in, hairline in, hairline in, and then you grab and add 2. Hairline in, grab here, and add to it. Hairline in, and add to it. We'll time lapse this and I'll come back when we're all done. So there you have it, the beautiful side French braid along the hairline. If you have bangs, I would recommend starting behind them so that you still have your softening that you like and your hair's out of your face just like this. And it's really pretty. You can start wherever you want, end wherever you want, and it looks gorgeous whatever you do. So have fun, keep practicing, and if there's anything else you need me to for me to show you, just let me know and we will get it figured out. Thanks. Bye.